This is probably the best tour I had in Malaysia. I booked the Royal Mangrove Tour Package C and here's how it went.
Yan, paalis na kami.
We started papunta ng Kilim Geoforest Park. It's a UNESCO Global Geopark known for its stunning mangroves, limestone formations, and wildlife. First stop, Gua Kelawar or Bat Cave. Suggest ko to rent a flashlight pagpasok. Here we saw hundreds of bats hanging from the ceiling.
Ayun, nakakita po tayo ng mga bats.
Next, we went deeper sa mangrove forest to the Crocodile Cave. This cave is famous for their crocodile-shaped rocks. Kaso the water was a bit high from the recent rain, so we couldn't pass through this time. As we explored further sa mangroves, we saw playful monkeys sa area.
Because I don't want monkey jump on the boat, but if the monkey jump on the boat, don't scream, just sit on your face. Have not food here. That's one of the reasons why this monkey they're not too aggressive like you see your okay, no problem. Yes.
We also spotted a sleeping snake. Actually, feel ko talaga nasa National Geographic ako. Lalo na nung nakita yung convocation of eagles swooping right above the boat. Langkawi is called the land of the eagles because these birds are everywhere feeding on the rivers and mangroves. Sobrang unforgettable ng experience. After this, may snorkeling pa sana pero dahil pangit yung weather the past days, canceled today. So we just went to the feed and touch experience. Here we got to feed the fish, touch small crabs, and interact with other wildlife. After that, we had late lunch. Since na-cancel yung snorkeling, dinagdagan nila kuya ng barbecue sibas yung meal ko. Napaka-sosyal. Honestly, this was the best meal I had in Langkawi.
So yun guys, tapos na yung tour. Ang ganda.
After the tour, I went to the nearby Tanjung Ru Beach. This beach is stunning, calming water, soft sand, and those iconic limestone cliffs in the background. Compared din sa Pantai Senang, less crowded siya, so super relaxing after an adventurous day. Like and follow for more travel videos!